Hi guys, you are watching Go IT Center, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can install or deploy Microsoft Office latest Office 2024. So let's start. So in order to install Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2024, you have to go onto the deployment tool, Office deployment tool. Once you click on that, you have to click onto the download Office deployment tool. Then you have to click onto the download. It will be downloaded within a second, and once it is downloaded, then you have to copy that, and you have to move on to the C drive. Let's go on to the C drive. Here we have to create a folder. Let's say Office. Now paste it. Now you have to double click on it. Check mark. Continue. Then you have to select the destination. We have to select the same destination. Click onto this computer, then C drive, then Office, and then OK. Once it is done, then you have to delete this configuration file because we don't need it. Once you delete it, then come on to the browser. Then you have to type Office customization tool. Then you have to click onto the Office customization tool. Then you have to 64-bit is already selected. So if your operating system based on the 32-bit, then you can select it. Otherwise, you have to keep this setting as it is. Now scroll down it. Now you have to select your Office. Office long-term support Professional Plus 2024. Then we have to scroll down it. Latest. Then you have to select the apps that is required on your system. Let's say I don't use Access. I don't want OneNote. If you want it, definitely you can keep the setting as it is, but I don't want the extra application, so I'm going to remove it. I'm going to unselect it so that once the package installed, I will only get only those applications which currently are on. So I'm going to off it as well. I don't need Outlook as well. OneDrive. So I need only Excel, PowerPoint, and Word. But in your case, if you want Access and Microsoft Outlook and other application, definitely you can on it as per your requirement. But I don't need it, so I'm going to off it. Then we have to click onto the next. Then we have to select the language, obviously United States. Then we have to scroll down it. Then next, scroll down it. Then we have to keep this setting as it is. Next. Now we have the option of uninstall. If you have already Office, you can uninstall it from here. But since I don't have any Office, it is a fresh Windows. I am installing the Office first time, so I'm going to off it. Then hit next. These steps are very important, and you have to keep this. You have to keep watch this step continuously. Don't skip the video here because you will create a mess. So these are the very crucial steps. Then hit next. And then finally hit next, and then we have to finish it. Once you finish it, then you have to export the file. You have to click onto the XML format. Once you click onto the XML format, then scroll down it, then OK, accept it, and you can change the name of the file as well. The file name would be the configuration. You can change it, but I will keep as it is. You can change it by any name. Let's say you can give your name as well, and then export. Once the file is export, then you have to download unverified file. No need to worry about that. It is absolutely genuine Microsoft Office 2024 and one of the finest technique of installation. Then you have to click on that, then cut, and then come on to the C drive, same folder, and then paste it. Once you paste it, then you have to open the command line, right click on it, run as admin, cd double dot, then again cd double dot. You will be in the C drive. Then the folder name, you can check out the folder is available here as a office, so you can type here cd office dir. You can see that the setup is here, so setup.exe/configure, and then the file name. You have to copy it and then hit enter. You can see that Office installation has been started, and wait for a second. So Office installation has been started. It would take around 20-25 minutes depending on your internet speed. So I'm going to stop this video, and once it is done, then I will resume this video. So your Office has been installed and successfully. Now we have to open the Word 2024, and you can see that Word is open now. So thank you so much for watching this video. You have successfully installed the Office 2024. No subscription, no crack, no hardware requirement. Just you have to simply set up it and follow this video, and you can install it smoothly, no issue at all. So you have successfully installed the Microsoft Office, latest Office 2024, and if you like this video, hit the bell icon, forward to your family and friends, subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.